Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. This is my Valentine's Day beat. What do you dolls think? I really enjoy doing this look. I kind of freestyled because I had an idea of what I wanted to do, but I wasn't exactly sure. So I just freestyled as I went along and I came up with this. I freaking love it. I think it looks so good. I've also got on a bold lip. Look, I even got in heart earrings. I went all out for this look. If you want to see how this look was done, then carry on watching. I have listed everything below, guys, so that you can see exactly what I used. And I will see you dolls in my next post. Hey dolls, welcome back to your girl's channel. We are going to go straight into this Valentine's Day beat. I got a couple of brushes, some Real Technique brushes. I've been meaning to get these for ages, so I'm excited that I finally grabbed some. I've heard and seen great things about them, so I can't wait to try them out. I got this set. I've taken the brushes out, but this is what it comes with. It comes with a cute little brush holder. This set has a contour brush, a detailer brush, a buffing brush, and a square foundation brush. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty as well. I like the packaging. So that is that. I also got this set as well, and these are the brushes from it, and you also get a beauty blender. So the brushes are quite similar in each set, but just slightly different. Yeah, so you get these brushes in that set. So this is a blusher brush, and then this is the foundation brush. This is like an eyeshadow brush, and I would use this brush for, like, you know, putting on highlighter, stuff like that. Powders, loose powders. Yeah guys, I'm excited to use these brushes and I'm going to do it in this tutorial, so let's get started. So I also picked this up today as well. This is the primer oil from Makeup Academy. So I wanted to try it out, try and use it. I've seen it a couple of times, so I said, oh, let me try it out. I love Makeup Academy products. They're very reasonable and I think their products are actually really good. So I am going to try this out. I've already washed my face, I have moisturized. So I'm just gonna go right in and add this oil. Ooh, it's a bit much, isn't it? And you only need a little bit. I have actually OD'd with the amount that I put on. Okay, so face is moisturized for sure. Face is definitely moisturized. Add some of this to my lips because my lips just get real dry when I'm doing my makeup. So just put some of that on. So Nivea stick, watermelon. Now what I'm also going to try out is this little product I got. Is the Liquid Glow Illuminator, and I've got it from Savers. I was just getting some toiletries and I saw it, so I just purchased it. It's made by Girls with Attitude. I've never heard of that company before, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put it on before I put on my foundation. This is in Champagne Opal. Definitely glowing, definitely glowing. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply all my products on my face, and then I'm going to get it all blend and beat in, and then it's going to look flawless and we can move on to the eyes. So I'm going to grab my Born This Way foundation, Caramel. Do you know what, when I first got this foundation I was like, yeah, this is the foundation, this is the one for me. I think in real life it looks better, but on camera it comes up really dark on my skin. It looks like I need a lighter one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple drops of that. I'm also going to use my True Match, my L'Oreal True Match foundation, because this foundation is a little light. Okay, look, you see the difference. So I'm going to just mix them together. NC42 MAC concealer. So I'm going to use a 207 brush from Real Techniques. I'm gonna love using this brush under my eyebrow. Then I'm gonna grab my other concealer, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, a light tan, and just putting it on the outskirts of that concealer that I just applied. my NYX HD concealer in Cocoa, and I'm going to put that in the areas that I would like to contour. Grab my HD concealer in Beige, and it's really light, so I'm just going to add a little bit of it. Just to lighten things up, brighten things up a little. I'm going to go in with the 286 from Real Techniques, and I'm going to start blending out the foundation. Then I'm going in with the 402 brush, just to blend out that concealer. I'm going to go in with the 200, and I'm going to use that to blend out the contour. That glow that I've used and that oil is really making this contour pop today, I tell ya. .300 Real Techniques brush, and just contour on the side of my nose. Now, what I'm going to do is time to add some baking powder. So I'm going to bake under my eyes. I'm going to use a little bit of Sacha Buttercup powder first. I'm going to use a Real Techniques beauty blender. I'm going to carve out my cheeks. I use the Sacha Buttercup powder first, but I'm going to go in with my lace because the Sacha Buttercup is quite dark. So I'm going to go with my lace baking powder. I appreciate a light on the eyes. I can't just use the Sacha Buttercup powder. No. While that is then baking, I'm going to go into my Hoola and I'm going to go over my bronzer. So I'm going to go in with my MAC Blush Up Pinto Peach. I'm just going to go back with that same brush. Yeah, so I'm going to go in my MAC Studio Fix. I'm just going to pop that all over the face. Okay, so we're going to go right in with the brows. If you're new to my channel, don't panic. I'm not gonna leave my eyebrows like this. They're gonna get snatched, okay? I just always overdo them before I snatch them for some reason. I don't know, I guess it's just the way I operate. I'm going to use my MAC pot to conceal under my brow. 207 from Real Technique brush. Okay guys, so now I am going to prime the eyes and I'm going to use my Rumour 03 from PLouise. So guys, eyes are primed and we are going to move on to the eyeshadow now. So I'm just going to go in the crease, and the first color I'm going to use is Hot Tamale, and Hot Tamale is this pink here from the Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette. We go for that Valentine's beat, honey, so this is a perfect vibrant pink. Okay, then I'm going to go in with Inner Pinch, and I'm going to just put that right on top. Back in with Hot Tamale, get that boldness back up. So I'm going to go into Cinna-moan, which is this colour here, and I'm just going to pop that in the crease. I'm loving how that is looking so far. I'm really feeling it. Going more in the crease with that darker colour, which is the Cinna-moan, is when I do cut this crease, I need there to be something there. Just putting that Hot Tamale, that's brighter pink underneath my eye as well. I'm going to cut the crease now. So guys, you know you have to improvise when you don't have what you need. So I've used the Milk eye pencil. I think this is from NYX. I use it to cut my crease because it's more of a blank canvas, whiter, brighter when I add my next shade that I'm going to add. So yeah, that is what I use. I'm going to do now, I'm going to grab this pot. So this is the Innocence eye dust I got from Sleek, and I'm going to use this to pop on top of the crease that I just cut. The shade is so pigmented, I love it, it's going to look so good. So I'm going to put that on now. So I'm just going to pop it on. I don't think I need any kind of glue or fixing gel, but I do have some just in case if it doesn't stick properly. You can see it is really pigmented, and I didn't even have to put a lot. This is a metallic liquid liner, and it is from Collections, and it is in colour Sunset Pink. So what I've done is I've just gone over the outer corners of that cut crease that I've just applied this silver glitter dust on up with this. I just feel, you know, just something different. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back in. I'm going to go into Soft and Sweet. This pink here. I'm going to go into the Revolution Makeup Pro Palette. So I've got some nice shades of pinks in here. We can do some liquid eyeliner. So my camera died, guys, so I'm back. Oh look, this is on my top. This is from the primer earlier. But anyway, yeah, so I've done my lashes and I have dyed my black liner and my mascara. So all I'm going to do now is highlight, and then the look is done, guys. I'm going to just set my face. Going to use this highlighter. This highlighter is from Makeup Revolution. It's called the Vivid Baked Highlighter. I added the Vivid Baked Highlighter. I love it. Can you see it? It's all pink. And it just matches my eyes perfectly. I'm going to just add this Pro Concealer on my forehead and my nose. Don't not forget my favourite place that I like to highlight, which is here. We're going to go into the Plum Lip Liner from MAC. And we're going to go in with this MAC lip gloss called Preserving Passion. I really enjoyed doing this look today. What do you guys think of this look? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments below. Before you leave, dolls, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and you can hit that notification bell as well.